Will AI replace designers and how will it affect them?
Yes, it's like a broad subject to talk about these days, since we have apps taking off like Chatgpt, and maybe it's taking tons of people's jobs anyway. So what do you think about it?
Well, from a design perspective, there are several AI apps at the moment that do different things. For example, image generator apps such as Midjourney and others. Those tools are creating like incredible images. Like you can create realistic, photorealistic images, and you can create illustrations and things like that, or even 3D type
Do you own the images that you're creating?
Now that's a different discussion for another day. But in the sense of illustration, AI might definitely replace illustrators, or at least a lot of illustrators, because the quality of images it generates is much better than type of images an average human illustrator can create.
But in the meanwhile, I think the creators or designers, they are going towards these platforms to get inspiration.
Exactly.
Or like some new ideas,
exactly.
Create new trends.
Yeah. So while it might not replace them, it complements their work.
Definitely.
But it definitely would replace like a mid-level to a weak type of designer, human illustrator. But the good ones, or the ones who can learn how to adapt and use these tools to their advantage, are going to be the ones who survive. For example, an illustrator, he can just learn how to use these tools, how to prompt them to get the type of image that they want.
Or that might even makes his job take off to another level.
True.
Not only just search for trends. Maybe he can create the trend himself.
True. The other type of AI tools available to designers are like UI creators, UI generators. Now, these tools are not quite there yet. For example, you have some tools where you draw a sketch, a wireframe sketch.
Exactly.
You give it to the AI, and this AI generates a full UI based on the sketch. But the results right now, the ones that I've seen have been mediocre. So they're not replacing designers as of yet. But let's assume these tools are going to become more advanced and become smarter, and their quality is going to become better. Yes, same thing as with the illustrators. They might replace average, mediocre, or low-level designers.
It's great as a concept for now. But let's talk about like something as Microsoft designer. It creates like very nice and new type of artworks, let's say. I don't know if you have tried, but I've seen good results from people on Instagram. And it does really good job.
Does it create UI as well?
I don't really know, but you can find out later and you can check it out, guys. So it's a good advice, I think.
But same thing we said about like the image generators. So the UI generators, they will not replace you if you learn how to use them and improve your game using these tools.
Exactly.
For example, AI designer will go on. It might help him kickstart his work. It might help him he can leverage this AI to help him be more productive maybe. So it's the same concept. Don't let AI replace you. Adapt, learn, and use it to make you better.
You just need to be updated with what's going on in the industry. Try new methods, try AI, try other ones.
And at the same time, we're always going to need a human element to moderate the AI, to make it work for us, to get the result that we want from the AI. So maybe the nature and the tasks that the UI designer or the human designer does, they will slightly change to incorporate AI as one of their skill set or tool set.
I mean, it will still take many years to become this perfectionist.
Maybe not too many years.
Maybe, but I
moving
think
quite fast. But
I think
probably needs a few years
to perfect the.
Definitely.
Perfect this fact.
It's definitely very interesting, and we look forward. I personally look forward to see what advances AI is going to give the UI design domain and the design domain in general.
At least for me, if I want to create content or design something, you can just make it more efficient for you.
Have you seen Adobe Firefly? Have you seen the preview?
I've seen some results. It's really amazing.
That's next level stuff. I wish it's available right now, because it definitely will make you faster. It makes you more productive.
I think it's on beta or not yet.
Some of its features have been released, but some of them are still in progress.
What do you guys think? Have you tried or you know anything about it? Comment down below.
And let's think.
If you want to add something to what we are talking or discussing, please don't. Feel free to do that.
Let us know what you think will happen when AI gets better. Will designers remain? What should they do? And subscribe to us, and see you in the next episodes.
See you guys.
See ya.